What is good timing in bowling? Hi, I'm Leah Zahner, a contributor with National Bowling Academy. In this free video, Gold Coach Fred Borden explains how timing works for every style of bowler and what drills you can practice to improve this area in your game.
What we're going to do first off is we're going to have Greg throw his normal shot. And then let's analyze why he does what he does, and then we're going to have him throw some different types of deliveries, and we'll talk about each one of them so that you can start to choose the one that you feel will fit your personality in your game. So let's throw a natural shot first, Greg. And if you'll notice, he'll hold the ball down around waist high. Right at waist high, just a little below his waist, but very specifically, every time you're going to place the ball right in that position. Now, we're going to make a delivery. And the reason he's holding it down is because he's got a high backswing. So he needs to hold the ball a little lower. Very good, great shot. And what happens here, the person that has a high backswing, they hold the ball a little lower because their backswing's going high. We can't have a high ball position, a high backswing. We're going to start playing tug of war with our timing. We're going to have force, we're going to have tension. Tension's a killer. We need to have the timing set up for you. Now, Greg, if you would, let's show, if you want to slow it down, what we're going to do, we're going to bring it up and we're going to have it out here longer, which will automatically shorten it up, won't it?
Yeah, it will.
So we're going to bring the ball into a higher position and we're going to slow down the start a little bit. Let's say he was a little easier going, not as athletic and just a shot-making player. Okay, now we're going to bring it up. See, now look where he's got the ball from being down here, up here very high, and we're going to go out a little more nice and slow. Now that's very good for you people who throw the ball too hard. Bring it up and get it out a little longer. Delay getting it into the swing. If you want a little more power, get it into the swing a little earlier. Get it up here and get it into the swing a little slower. Ball position and then the start. Those two things are key to setting up good timing right for openers. Now let's talk about the third thing. We have the ball position and the start. Now let's talk about the third swing, your backswing height. Let's specifically watch his swing height. We look at his body build. He's got long arms, he's a lanky guy, he's athletic, he's young and flexible. You think he's going to have a short swing? I don't think so. Look at that. How matched up that is and how athletic that looks and how free it is. The reason it's free is he's matched up. He's got this ball position with that higher backswing. Okay, now lower ball position, higher swing, higher ball position, shorter swing. Who are you? What's best for you and your game? Now we have two other things that we like to talk about. We have ball position, height, okay, and then we have the speed of the swing. I want to see one here where you just get your fastest swing that you can get. Let's say the lanes are dry, and we're going to talk about this quite a bit in a little while, but let's really go with a fast swing. Watch his start here and watch the speed of the swing. See, he just picked up the tempo. He picked up the movement of the swing. Again, we go back to that M&M, huh, Greg? Yeah. The mechanics and the motion. That was your same position, but it's faster, more aggressive.
Yeah. Get out there quicker.
Exactly. Get it out there a little faster and get your body moving, get everything moving so you can throw it down the lane because the lanes are burning up, the lanes are dry. Now let's do the little slower position. Now, here's the big key, however, when we talk about this, and here's what we hear all the time, Greg, and this is the misnomer. When I ask someone, well, how do you slow down, how do you speed up? They say, well, I do it with my feet. No, we want to match them up. When you have that faster swing, the feet have to go faster, don't they? Yeah. And when you have the slower swing, the feet have to be slower. So let's try to match up the swing with the upper body and the lower body. It needs to match up to have perfect timing. We want to have good timing every day for the rest of our life, so we have to have the top and the bottom match up. So let's watch the slower motion here with both the swing and the footwork. Watch the difference between the last shot and this shot. Wow, how good is that? How good is that? Boy, is it nice when you have something to do exactly what we want to have done. Good shot, buddy, good shot. There you have it, ball position, height. Move that ball a little bit to change your speed control, to change your swing. the speed of your swing, the height of your backswing, the speed of your footwork, you put that all together, you've got real good timing. But figure out which part of the combination is best for you. Where do you want to hold the ball? How far out? How fast you want to move it? Your backswing height, speed of your swing, the speed of your feet. Now you got the plan. At the close of the day, timing is where is the ball when you arrive at the foul line? When your left foot enters the slide, where is the ball? Well, early timing is when you get that ball in front of you. If I get this chair out in front of me, boy, it feels pretty heavy. If I get that chair back here, now look at my body standing up, I've got late timing. Late timing means the body is in front of the ball. Early timing is the ball's in front of the body. Now, perfect timing is when that left foot hits. If I get in that perfect timing, I could throw this chair halfway down the lane because I have my body in front of the 15 pounds. Or the 16 pounds. You want to plant your body at the line. The left foot hits and the ball's back in this zone. Cranker, stroker, roller. Right in this area here is where the ball should be when your foot enters the slide, coming in and getting ready to make that release. When you work on your timing, the cranker has a little later, the stroker's in between, and the roller is right there by the right knee. So we have right knee back to waist high, right in this area here. Figure out which one worked for you. You'll have natural timing, you have natural power, and what will happen is it controls the angle of your torso. Let's talk about that just for a second. If you throw more hook, I want to be back here to open my shoulders to allow for my hook. Now I have perfect torso angle. Now if I throw a little less hook, now let me bring the ball a little closer. Now I don't have as much open angle of my shoulders. In a roller, I'm a little more square because I throw it a little straighter up the lane, then I match my timing to match my style. When you get that, you're on your way. Now you've got the formula to great play.